How to apply for food stamps in Georgia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for food stamps in Georgia, guiding you through the process to get support. To apply, visit the Georgia Gateway website and create an account. Complete the application with the information about your household income and as well as expenses. You can apply online, by mail, or in person at your local Division of Family and Children Services office. After submitting your application, you'll need to complete an interview. Now that you know how to apply for food stamps in Georgia, you can start the application process confidently.